Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing a sugar-free watermelon mojito recipe. A perfect healthy drink to beat the summer heat. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 1 cup chopped watermelon. Into it, I'm adding in half cup chilled ice cold water and I'm going to blend this. The watermelon is blended. I'm going to transfer this into a cup. And I'm keeping this aside. Into my serving glass, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons chopped watermelon cubes. Into this, I'm adding in 8 mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and with a muddler or with the back of a spoon, I am crushing the ingredients which is in the serving glass. And once it is lightly crushed, I am squeezing in half a lemon. And mix it lightly again. I'm adding in 2 lemon slices, 2 to 3 mint leaves which I'm roughly tearing and adding in. Add in 2 tablespoons soaked sabja seeds. Sabja seeds has cooling properties and I've already shared the difference between chia seeds and sabja seeds. Please do check it out. Next, I'm adding in some ice cubes and then pour in the prepared watermelon juice. Give it a light stir. Add in about a teaspoon of sabja seeds on top. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves and a couple of lemon wedges. So guys, do try this refreshing summer cooler and let me know how it turned out. Today I'm sharing a healthy mango mojito recipe made without refined sugar or soda. A super healthy, refreshing and cooling summer drink. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. Add in some water and allow the basil seeds to swell up. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Also note that basil seeds and chia seeds are different. I have already shared a video on the difference between chia seeds and basil seeds. Basil seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in the summers. So I'm going to allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. I'm using 1 medium-sized Alfonso mango. I'm going to peel the mango and chop the mango. I'm adding in the chopped mango into my chutney grinder. Into this I'm adding in 4 to 5 mint leaves. And I'm going to blend this really well to make it into a mango puree. Okay, now the mango and mint leaves are nicely ground. The addition of mint leaves will give a nice minty flavor to the mojito. And I'm going to keep this aside. I'm slicing a lemon into half. And then I'm slicing that half into 4. Removing the seeds. Half of a lemon is cut into wedges and the seeds are removed. Add the lemon wedges into the serving glass. Add in 3 to 4 fresh mint leaves. Add in half teaspoon organic sugarcane jaggery. Now the jaggery I'm using does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particles. Hence I'm adding it directly into the serving glass. I'm adding the jaggery into the serving glass. With a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, I'm going to muddle or crush the jaggery, mint and the lemon wedges. Okay, now the basil seeds has swelled up. I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the soaked basil seeds into the serving glass. Add in half of the blended mango puree. With the blended mango puree, you can make 2 servings of mango mojitos and lightly give it a good mix. Add in 1 cup or 1 glass of water, couple of ice cubes, give it a light stir. Some extra basil seeds on top. Garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves. And my super healthy mango mojito is ready to serve. Today I'm sharing virgin mojito recipe made without refined sugar or soda. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. Add in some water. Basil seeds or sabja seeds has cooling properties. Also note that basil seeds and chia seeds are different. I have already shared a detailed video on the difference between basil seeds and chia seeds. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out to understand more. And allow the basil seeds to get swelled up. It should take a couple of minutes, so I'm going to keep it aside. To make virgin mojito, I'm using half of a lemon which I have cut into wedges. I'm adding the lemon wedges into the serving glass. Into this I'm adding in 6 to 7 fresh mint leaves. I'm roughly tearing the mint leaves and adding in 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground saunf, also known as fennel seeds, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. For sweetness, I'm adding in half teaspoon organic sugarcane jaggery. The jaggery I'm using does not contain dirt or dust particles, hence I'm adding the jaggery directly into this. You can increase jaggery as per your taste. If you prefer more sweetness, you can use 1 teaspoon or 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of jaggery. It's all a matter of your personal preference and sweetness. Also note that the jaggery I'm using is soft and creamy. I'm adding the jaggery into the serving glass. Instead of jaggery, you can also use liquid jaggery, also known as kakwi. With a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, muddle the ingredients in the serving glass itself. Next, I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons of soaked sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds. Sabja seeds or basil seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in the summer. Next, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Also note that I'm using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. The mother is actually the gut-friendly healthy bacteria. Add in some ice cubes. Couple of fresh mint leaves. Add in a glass of water. Give it a stir. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with a slice of lemon and a mint leaf. And my super healthy virgin mojito is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy virgin mojito and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.